Hello students. Now we will read the chapter 3. The chapter name is How much can you carry? Okay. So here is a story. The chapter is started with a story. The story name is The Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack. Sandesh. Now see, this is a boy, and see this boy, his name is Sandesh, has a donkey, and he is having a donkey. It carries sacks. These are now donkey what is carrying? He is carrying sack full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. What they have to cross? A river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sack felt very light. Guess why the sack felt lighter? Okay, see why these sack felt lighter? Because when the donkey slipped and fell into the river, the sack also fell in the river, and the salt melt. The salt mix in the river, and that's why the sack becomes very light. Okay. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Ha, let me teach it a lesson. Next day, Sandesh put sack of woolen cloth in the place of salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Now, see, if he is carrying woolen clothes, and woolen clothes, do you have woolen clothes? These clothes people wear in the winter season. Okay, and when you dip these kind of clothes into the water, it soak the water and it become very heavy. Okay, so that's why when what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the water? The donkey will dip into the water, the sack will become more heavy than before. Next is Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Now see, have you seen this picture before? See here. The chapter here, this is the picture. Here, Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Here, Rani comes to help Raju. Now she is Rani and this is Raju. But still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier, lighter than Rani. So Raju is heavier. Raju is heavier than Rani. That's why he cannot ride with Rani. He cannot play with Rani on the seesaw. Now Aslam comes to help them. Now this boy, Aslam, comes to help them. Look at the picture. See this picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Because Raju is now lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Because both of these weight these Rani and Aslam weight become heavier than Raju. That's why the seesaw turn this way. Now Raju, I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. Now Raju is keeping his bag with him. We are all enjoying the ride. Now they are enjoying the ride. Both the sides become equal. Now, heavier or lighter? Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. See, you have to make the seesaw down. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? See, this is heavier, this watermelon is heavier, so it will make the seesaw down. Draw a line to match the heavier one. See, this is bottle, this is a pot, so pot is heavier, so it will make the seesaw down. Now this is jug, these are glasses, so jug will make the seesaw down. This is mug and this is bucket, so bucket will make the seesaw down. Now color the one which is lighter. Okay, in tennis ball and football, which will be lighter? Tennis ball. School bag and geometry box, which will be lighter? Geometry box. These things, what are the things available in your home, you can check by holding them in your hand. Okay, so you already having, I think, geometry box and bag. You hold these things in your hands and then compare and feel that which one is lighter and which one is heavy. Okay, now next is Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey rabbits saw a bag. See, these are rabbits and their name are Chicky and Mickey. They saw a bag. This is the bag. It had carrots in it. What are inside this bag? Carrots. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. And this Chicky is saying, I will take bigger carrots. And Mickey is saying, no, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrots. Now, Chotu monkey came to help them. This monkey name is Chotu. Chotu monkey came to help them. Now, they are saying, Chicky and Mickey, we want to share the carrots equally between us. But some carrots are big and some small. What do we do? Now, Chotu monkey is saying, can I help you? Now, Chotu monkey brought something to help them. Now, let's see. Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. Now, you have to guess. What this Chotu monkey will bring, and that thing you have to draw here. Okay. Find out your parents buy carrots for the family. How much do they buy at one time? Okay, that you can ask your parents this question. If they are purchasing carrots, how much they are buying at one time, 1 kg, half kg, 2 kg, like that you have to ask and write your answer. Okay, now next is, how does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? So weighing machine is there. Vegetable seller uses the weighing machine in which they weigh the vegetables and then they sell. How much can Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from the store in their house to the kitchen. See, now Simran's father, what he needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. So storeroom to kitchen they have to move some things. Simran wants to help her father. Okay, now see here, this is Simran and he is Simran's father, and here Simran's mother, and this is their storeroom. Guess which bag Simran can carry. Guess who can carry what? Her father, her mother, her younger sister. See here, this is Simran and this Simran father, Simran mother and Simran younger sister. So you have to guess her father how much he can carry. See, very big container he is carrying, maybe 10 kg it is, and Simran is taking 1 kg salt, maybe she can also take 2 kg sugar. Okay, just you have to guess how much her mother can carry. Her mother can maybe take this 5 kg atta. Now, and how much her younger sister can carry? She maybe carry a small, less than 1 kg. Okay, so can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which ones? So see here, 2 kg, 1 kg salt she can carry, Simran, and she can also carry 1 kg ghee. In one hand she can carry 1 kg salt and in one hand she can carry 1 kg ghee. Okay, so salt and ghee we can write here. Salt and ghee. Which bags can you carry? Yes, now you have to tell which bags you can carry from this. Now here, who is she? She is an ant. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. See. Now match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. Okay, you have to match. See here, this is a bird, an elephant, a donkey, a dog. Okay, and here a ball, sugar packet, leaf and logs. Okay, so this is heavy, so this elephant can carry, and donkey can carry sugar, this bird can carry this leaf, and this dog can carry this ball. Okay, now hope you will be able to understand all the lesson. Do watch this video. Thank you. Bye.